we are on our way to detail a McLaren 720S. So chaps, we've just arrived and we have this beautiful supercar in for the Tino treatment. So let's take a closer look at it to see why we have been called in today. Honestly, not what you would expect from a car of this caliber. So let's begin this detail with the wheels. Power on. Let's start the pre-wash. Here comes the Tino Blue Snow Foam. The hand wash is one of the most challenging parts of the detail, as this McLaren has so many curves and corners, which are easy to miss. For all of you wondering where you can get all of these detailing products from, visit tinocarcare.com and explore our top of the line selection. Let's dry the 720S. Yes.
I've got your site up here. What do you put on like as the last treatment?
I'll show you now. So it's actually the exterior detailer. So I was just about to apply it myself.
How do you use that?
Spray it onto the cloth,
Yeah.
wipe the car, and then just turn over the cloth and then
use
dry
the
it.
dry, yeah.
Exactly. That will give the car a crazy shine and protection.
You don't use that on the windows?
Yeah, just on the body.
Yeah, and that stuff you use on the interior. What's that?
The good thing about this is you spray it on, you wipe it, it leaves no streaks whatsoever. So this is the best thing to have for the interior.
I've got alloy wheels on my car. What?
So it's this one here, the wheel cleaner.
Alright, lovely. Thanks
Okay, thank you, man. It's nice to meet you. Have a nice one. I now begin the cleaning process of the stunning interior. Yes. So a small car like this one, it's £60, yeah. And then for a larger car, it's £70. Okay, thank you. Have a nice one. How much he paid?
No, how much you paid?
For...
Ain't got yours?
No, I wish.
Oh, sorry, mate.
I'm only washing it. time to deal with these rubber and tar marks scattered on the paintwork. With that removed, I apply a deep layer of shine and protection to the car. Here are your results. Enjoy. See you in the next one, chaps.